Hey guys, Sprite here from Condé Systems, and today I want to show you our zippered linen bags. Our linen is really popular. It feels good, it looks great, it's got this really nice shabby chic look, and with these zippered bags, it's really easy to get a full top to bottom imprint. They come in 3 different sizes. We have our coin bag, we have our pencil bag, and we also have our device bag. So let me show you how to do it. To do our linen bags, you're going to need heat gloves, a lint roller, pro spray, protective paper, your product, and your transfer. The first thing that you want to do is lint roll both the front and the back of your bag. And we always want to do this to get rid of any particles or debris that might be left on your fabric. Next, we're going to place a piece of protective paper on the heat press, and then our bag, followed by another piece of protective paper, and we're going to give it a pre-press. Pre-pressing is going to pre-shrink your fabric and also get rid of any excess moisture that may be left behind. Once the pre-press is done, we take it out of the press and then lint roll the front and back again. I'm going to spray Pro Spray on one of my images and affix my bag to my image. Now it goes back into the press. Piece of protective paper on the bottom, my bag with my image face down, and a piece of protective paper on the top, and we press. Be sure to check Conde.com for all of our latest instructions. I'm going to let this cool, and for the second side, we're going to follow the same instructions as we did on the first side. So now that our zippered bag has cooled, we can go ahead and add the handle. Doesn't that look great? These zippered bags are amazing. They look good, they feel good, they sublimate beautifully, and the zipper is rated for the heat, so it's really easy to get a full top to bottom image. These would be great with any of our wood products, maybe some of the new Unisub textured products. It's got that really cute, kind of shabby chic, natural look. It's absolutely beautiful. So be sure to contact your Conde account representative today to find out more about our zippered linen bags. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. Happy sublimating.